Belly, and you're watching Yardie Belly's Kitchen. Just want to say hello to my fans, my friends, my subscribers. Big up all y'all. So you may not be a Jamaican, and you may be living in the US, and you may have gone into the Jamaican stores and you may have seen this product, yes, and the big up Royal Montego. Yeah, have I used them product? This is what is called Jamaican Bammy, all right, or cassava cakes. And I'm just going to show you how to prepare it, or how regular Jamaicans, how we normally prepare it, to have it with our fish. And it's usually done with fish. Some form of fish dish, fried fish, steamed fish, and the preparation is different based on what you're doing. But today we're going to show you how to prepare it for frying. Yes, we're gonna fry this bammy or cassava cake. All right, and it's simply made with the yucca or cassava, and the process is simply gratering it or macerating it, then squeezing out all of the liquid from the cassava, because that liquid I get to understand is poisonous. So they squeeze the liquid out, and then it is baked into the shape. And as you can see, it's been processed here by Royal Montego, and it's a good product. I highly recommend it. And we're gonna pair it with some coconut milk, and as usual, Grace is one of the brands that we use, the powdered coconut milk. So the first thing we do is we cut it into squares, into pieces like this. All right, and then we're gonna prepare the milk and then add the milk to it.
So we're gonna add 1 whole pack of coconut milk. This is from Grace, and this is to 1.5 cup of water. You just dissolve it, mix it around until it dissolves. Yeah, this is warm water. It dissolves better if the water is warm. Alright, so now to the bammy that we have here, we're gonna pour all of this liquid until everything is properly covered, and you're trying to get it to soak so it softens a bit, and also so it gets the flavor of the coconut milk. And we're gonna add some salt.
You can add the amount of salt where you like.
This is like 1 teaspoon.
Want a little bit more still. Yeah, that good.
And why this one don't have identity? And I'm gonna add also some sugar. And I'm using granulated sugar, 1 heaping tablespoon.
You can use any type of sugar you want.
But again, this dissolves easier, so that's why we choose this one. Normally we use brown sugar for everything else, but certain things, it makes more sense to use the granulated sugar. Alright, and then for a little bit of spice, I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. About 1 teaspoon all over.
You don't have to add vanilla if you don't want. It's up to you.
Them have to do it.
Them not have to.
Them have to.
Oh, not have to?
Yes.
Put in the comment box whether or not you have to. Alright?
And
Because
then
me think you not have to.
just a sprinkle of cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yeah. Should we put nutmeg?
It's up to you. No.
Yeah.
The idea is not to overly get it sweet, but to just give it a nice spicy flavor. So if you like nutmeg and you want to use nutmeg, you can use nutmeg.
I
But we
don't
choose
even
cinnamon.
know if this is how people make it.
Hey,
But as usual.
you can't spoil it. Everybody make it them own way. We
Yeah,
are make it
really.
how we like it. That's
Yeah,
how
the
we
belly out
like
of the
it.
box as usual.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
And you just leave this to soak half an hour, 30 minutes to 40. You just leave it to soak till you're ready to use it. You understand? Till your head chip. You see?
Alright guys, so it's been about 30 minutes and the bammy is soaked. So we're gonna pour some oil in the pan.
Yeah, that's about
This
it.
is a non-stick pan here.
A copper pot. Is that name?
Yeah.
Short.
And this is how
So we just drain it a little bit.
yeah, to get off the
The
excess milk.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
And then we're going to, start putting your bammy in the pan. And if you have a non-stick pan, it's better to use it because that way the bammy won't stick. And once you put them in, you don't move it at all. You just leave it and make it catch the nice color. Keep your stove from mid to almost high. And you just make your bammy stay there so, and catch the color. And when we're ready to flip it, you have to put it until it's golden brown. I won't say if it's 2 minutes or 3 minutes because your stove, your pot, your flame. So until it's golden brown, you just check after about say 4 minutes. You check, and then you turn it over. So it's been about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, about that. And we're now turning them. Because of the pot, it's a slidey. Use it, yeah, use that. Just flip it, yeah, mind the oil bunny. So that oil is a very hot oil. Yeah, and then you have to fry them till them golden brown on the other side. And then you have to present it on the plate for the heating one. Yes, for the heating to go on. Glory! Hallelujah.
Yes guys, this is the finished product. As you can see, our bammy here on the side, accompanied by our very own fish. Yeah, and this is some sliced
Fried fish.
yeah. Yeah, and we're just gonna pour some of our Yardie belly picker pepper on top of the fish.
Jamaican pickled pepper.
Yes. And this pickled pepper is available for shipment to you wherever you are. So just leave a link in the comment section or DM me or him for your own.
And of course, the link to the picker pepper is gonna be right up there. So let me show you right up there. So yeah, right there. So all right. So yeah, see the bammy there. You understand? That's how you prepare bammy, Yardie belly style. And of course, as I said, you can do it your way. You can do it a different way. For steam fish, it's a little bit different. And obviously, you're not gonna do it the same way for steam fish. But hey, continue to like, share, subscribe. Remember to check the description box for ways in which you can support Yardie belly. And comment everything, mix up the thing, blend the thing. Yardie belly in a foreign. Peace out. Remember.